Welcome folks, William Caleb, the interweb strategist, right back at you again with another video, and this time we're going to do a review on my latest product that I'm just publishing here, and it's actually a privately held workshop, and this workshop was put on by an internet marketer with over 14 plus years, and what he did was he gathered some people along for his premium hands-on, right in real-time training where the folks paid lots of money folks to be here present, and now I've acquired all the rights to go ahead and let you see this workshop, let you see exactly what he taught. And we're just going to go ahead over to the sales page here, and let's take a look. And as you can see, this is the headline. As I said, it's a full-time internet marketer with over 14 years. He's sharing his methods, and his methods, by the way, allowed him to quit his first and only day job after just 8 months of following these methods. And I'll just tell you straight up front, there's 3 primary methods that he's going to show you using the internet, using the online interwebs, as it is called. And I just want you to see this sales page briefly. You can read his story, and this is actually the workshop right here, and this is the marketer there. His name is Mr. Paul Counts. You can look him up. You'll see all his credentials. There's many people who studied under him and who have also gotten success. But the main point I want to get you to is exactly what you're getting access to, and you're going to get access to, as I said, it's going to be 3 main methods, but there's a step-by-step action plan. There's an honest and inspiring approach that encouraging you to get action, because again, this is being presented to you from someone who has actually did this, and when it was originally presented, it was presented in real time. So the full blueprint, making info products to just freelancing, just getting started out the gate. What are you going to do? And you can read just a few testimonials here, and I also want to make sure you are aware of the awesome bonuses that I've given for the videos. You're going to get the word-for-word transcripts, so no need there. You're going to get the quick reference guide notes in PDF form. You won't have to worry about that. You'll get all the audio downloads here. You'll also get a special bonus from me. I'm going to give you 18 traffic sources. That's right, 18. Surely you won't have a need for traffic with 18 different sources to pull from, right? And I'm also going to give you a special resource where you can get specific traffic for the internet marketing and make many online niche, specifically just for that niche, where you can actually go and just buy the traffic, which makes it real easy. You can just order it like you would order anything else, like you're ordering a cup of coffee. It's as simple as that, really, and you're going to be amazed. And of course, there is a cost for you to watch this workshop, but the cost, I'm making it very, very low cost. As you can see, we're not trying to break your bank here, folks, but we just really want this information to get out to you. We really want you to watch this workshop so you will see for yourself, and that's Mr. Counts here. Now, once you hit this buy now button and go ahead and buy for the awesomely low price there, you're going to be taken to your download workshop watch page, and I want you to see what that page is going to look like. So after you pay, then you'll be brought right to the following page here. Just 1 second while it loads up. And now we're good to go. The page is fully loaded up, and this will be the access page. It says thank you for your purchase. Product access below. Make sure you type in the password to play the videos. Now the password is simply right here, and very simple. All you do is you see the video box here, you just manually type in the password. Let's go ahead and give it a try here. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, and then we want to hit watch video. Let's see, 1 second. And we'll just hit the watch video button. And let's see what happens. And there it is, as you can see. And then it'll populate, and all you would have to do is just press play, and you can begin the video. And you'll see Mr. Counts. This is actually the guy who made the video, a video recording professionalist. And he's giving a brief introduction of Mr. Counts before he comes in. And just as the sales page says right underneath, you'll see you can download the actual video in full HD. That's part 1, and you can download the audio MP3, and you can also download it in just standard view it at standard definition. Doesn't have to be high definition. And there's also part 2, as you can see down below. And once again, like you did with the part 1, you just manually type in the brief password there, hit watch video, and you'll be good to go. And of course, we have available where you can download the part 2 video and audios, and of course the bonuses, the notes, the PowerPoint slides to the videos, my 18 traffic sources I told you, the link where you can get immediate traffic now for the MO, for the Make Money Online and Internet Marketing needs. And we also have some unadvertised bonuses, folks. I've included a 12-part traffic training in addition to the 18 traffic source and the direct ordering link for traffic. And I also have a list building mastery course so you can build your audience. And if you're going to build that email list of audience, of course, you're going to need to you're going to have to send, beg your pardon there, you're going to have to send emails to them. So I've also included as another bonus over 258 profit pulling emails that you can use on your own. And this is all free. This is included. Now, I didn't talk about this much on the sales page there. I wanted it to be a surprise, but here goes. I've spoiled the beans. I've spilled the beans here, so to speak, and let you know. And I also have, if you keep scrolling further down, let's see here. I'm gonna just show you what else we got for you. And if we just scroll down, you'll see I also have a video that I made that's giving another review on a done-for-you option where my team will actually build an entire website sales funnel, all the pages, all the copywriting, all the emails installed, everything, each page flowing conceptual. We will put your payment buttons where the pay button goes directly to you, and you will earn 100% of the commissions from the whole sales funnel. And as I said, we build the thing for you. You don't touch a thing, and we get back with you in about 5 to 7 business days, and you'll be all set to go. And you'll definitely want to see that video there, how it works. But of course, you're going to have to get the workshop to get there. And of course, I have even more Make Money Online resources here that you can peruse through. Like I said, I've tried to make this as simple as I could. I really tried to go all out and give you everything that I figured you would need to make money online and use the internet to basically make it happen. And I just want to make something else clear, folks. You don't have to be involved with the Make Money Online and internet marketing niche. These tactics apply for anything you're trying to sell. You're going to find out when you watch the workshop. You're going to see. It's just totally laid out. The workshop videos are very detailed. It's gonna be like you're in the class yourself. That's what it's gonna be like. It's gonna feel as though you're sitting at a desk in your chair, and the teacher is gonna be at the front of the class, Mr. Paul Counts, teaching you step by step, word for word. You'll have all the notes. You'll be able to rewind and fast forward. You'll have the individual power slides. You'll even have it in MP3 form. Maybe you like to take walks or go running, or when you're driving around town running your errands, you can play it in your car. You have everything you need, folks. Only other thing you need is the link. Where do you go to get this workshop? You go to interwebstrategies.biz/MC workshops. Let me spell that for you. That's INTERWEBSTRATEGIES.biz/MCWORKSHOP. interwebstrategies.biz MC workshop. Thank you for watching this video, folks. Go ahead and head on over and get it right now while it's available. I don't know how long I can keep this workshop up, because the information there was just priceless, folks, and it gives you everything you're going to need for a ridiculously low price. Don't pass up on this. Once again, William Caleb, the Interweb Strategist. I'll see you on the back end and the other side at interwebstrategies.biz/MC workshop. Enjoy the rest of your day and much success to you.